Hello everybody. Now we will discuss the integration by substitution. Means by the substitution, how can you find the integral antiderivative of the function is there. Now question is, substitution method, when we will apply the substitution method is there. In case if you are going to apply this one, we can apply only if the derivative of that function should be here only. Whatever you are going to assume, आपने जो भी assume किया है, उसका derivative should be here. Then only you can apply the substitution, otherwise you cannot apply. So here is, suppose if we take this question can be written as, you can take out the x is common from here. So what you will get, x 1 plus log x dx. Now you can apply the substitution. You can assume that 1 plus log x is equal to t. इसका derivative यहाँ होना चाहिए, otherwise you cannot apply the substitution method is here. So if we take the derivative with respect to x, we are going to do 1 plus log x d over dx. That directly you can do, that is there only, directly we can do. I am going to differentiate with respect to x. So this is 1 0, log x means 1 over x dx over dt. With respect to t we are going to do, because we are assuming with t is equal to 1. So you will get 1 over x dx is equal to dt. See now, this 1 over x dx is already here. So the derivative of this one is already given here. So this can be changed. 1 over x dx you can write down dt, and 1 plus log x is already you assume t. So this is dt over 1 over t, or this is equal to log t plus c, because the antiderivative of 1 over t is 1 over x is log x is there, but here is 1 over t, so that is log t plus c. But t is already, you assume 1 plus log x, so this is equal to log 1 plus log x plus c, and this is your answer. Have a look. Okay, now the question is sine into sine cos x. In place of x is cos x is here given. So here you can let cos x is equal to t, because the derivative of this cos x is already given here only. We are not worried about plus and minus. So this is minus sine x dx is equal to, you can say, dt. So sine x dx is already, so you can say the sine x dx is equal to minus dt. Therefore, so this is already given here. So in place of sine x dx, you can write down what? Dt into, and this is sine t. Simple you can. So it can be written minus sine t into dt, and this is minus, and the antiderivative of the sine t is, that is minus cos t plus c. This can be written as cos t plus c, but t is already, you assume this one, so it can be written as cos x plus c. Have a look. Yes, now the question is 1 over x minus root x dx. Now here is the question is कि हम किसको substitute करें, किसको assume करें, क्योंकि derivative should be here. Derivative of that which you are going to substitute must be here only. Root x you will take, is not given. X you will take, is not there only. So what we will do is, here we are supposed to take out the root x common. So root x you will take common from here, you will get the root x is here, minus 1 and dx. This is. Now you can assume this root x minus 1 as a t. You can let root x minus 1 is equal to t. Just find the differential with respect to t. So root x means that is 1 by 2 root x dx 1 0, that is equal to dt. So you will get 1 over root x dx is equal to 2 dt. This is, and 1 over root x dx is already, so this can be written as, in place of this 1 over root x dx, you can write down 2 dt over, and this is already, you assume t. So this is equal to, can be written as 1 over t dt, and this is 2, and 1 over x dx, 1 over t dt is there. So the antiderivative of this one is log t plus c, that is 2 log, but t is already you assume this one, so root x minus 1 plus c, and this is your answer. Have a look. Yes, now the question is you have to find the antiderivative of 1 over 1 plus cot x dx. अब यहां पर आप you cannot assume this one, you cannot assume 1 plus cot x because the derivative of this one is not given is here only. So what we should do? So you have only one option. You are supposed to break this cot x. So this can be written as 1 over 1 plus cos x over sin x dx, and this can be written as you can put 1 is here only, you can take the LCM is here, so what you will get is here 1 whole over, this is sin x, you will take is here sin x, and this is sin x plus cos x, this is your dx. See now, this is 1 whole over, this is actually 1 over 1 is there only, so what will happen, the sin x will go in the numerator is here. This is the point. First you have to expand this one in terms of sin and cos, then take the LCM, and this sin x will go in the numerator. So what you are getting is here, you are getting sin x over sin x plus cos x. See now, अब now again the question mark is here कि हम क्या assume करें, so उसका derivative यहाँ पर हो. अगर you are going to assume this one sin x plus cos x, how come to know? पता कैसे चलेगा कि what we should do now? So just take this number as a you can assume. तो इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा, cos x minus sin x. It means you need cos x minus sin x in denominator, I mean in numerator. What you need? You need the cos x minus sin x anyhow in the denominator. Then only you can substitute. अब ये कैसे आएगा देखिए, you can do this one. You need this one. You need anyhow. So this sin x is there. What we can do? We can divide it by 2 and multiply it by 2 is here. Same operation we can do. We are dividing and multiplying, so nothing is going to change. Sin x plus cos x dx. What exactly we want this one anyhow? But this 2 sin x can be written as 1 over 2 sin x plus sin x here. लेकिन आपको क्या चाहिए? You need cos x minus sin x, because if you are going to assume, you are going to substitute this is equal to t, then derivative of this one will be this one. So you need this one. अब यहाँ sin x plus sin x is coming. You need cos x minus this one is there. So what we can do? We can do the cos x you can add and cos x you can subtract is here. Whole over sin x plus cos x dx. बस हो गया. This is 1 over 2. अब देखिए इसको keep as it is. यहाँ से you can take the minus common. You can take the minus common here only. You will get this one. बस. So this is your sin x plus cos x. I am doing this is minus, I am taking here, so this is become a cos x minus sin x over sin x plus cos x. This is into dx. बस अपना काम हो गया. अब इसको इसके नीचे रखिए, इसके नीचे रखिए. ये this is going to cancel and the derivative of this one is already is here only, so you can substitute. So look at here now. Direct I am doing. इसको इसके नीचे लिखा तो 1 into dx minus 1 over 2. This is cos x minus sin x over sin x plus cos x into dx. This is already, you know, the antiderivative of this one. Here you can assume, now let sin x plus cos x is equal to t. So you will get what? Cos x minus sin x dx is equal to dt. This is. So in place of this one you can write down dt is there. So finally you will get 1 by 2. 1 into dx minus 1 by 2, this is your dt over this is your t, this is equal to, you can do now 1 over 2, antiderivative 1 is you will get x minus 1 by 2, and this is log t plus c, but t is already, so this is 1 by 2 x minus 1 by 2 log sin x plus cos x plus c, and this is your answer. Here the important point is here only, simple. You can break this one. बस ये सोचना है कि इसका डेरिवेटिव must be in the numerator. How can you get that? You need this one. अब ये कैसे लाना है? Something you can add, you can subtract, whatever the operation you want to do, you can do that only. Have a look. Okay, now the question is root 10x over sin x into cos x dx. Again here, problem, you can take the cos x, you can substitute, you can sin x, but never you are getting the derivative in the numerator. So what we will do? So there is one thing we can do, we can multiply by the root 10x here only. Why we are multiplying? Later on you will understand. Root 10x से numerator में as well as in denominator में you can multiply. Same operation we will do, otherwise value is going to change. This is your sin x into cos x, keep as it is, into root 10x dx. So this is can be written as root 10x into root 10x is 10x over this is your sin x into cos x into root 10x dx. Now the question is, the problem is here only what we will substitute. देखिए अगर मैं 10x को t ले लेता हूं, you need the derivative of 10x is sec square x is there. So it means anyhow here sec square x must come, and that will come. See, you can break this 10x. Look at here. So this is your sin x over cos x whole over sin x into cos x, and root 10x will remain as it is dx. This cos x will come here only. This sin x will remain as it is, the numerator. Sin x over cos x into sin x into cos x into under root 10x dx. देखिए, this is gone. Finally, you are getting 1 over cos x into cos x is what? Cos square x into under root dx is here 10x. बस हो गया. 1 over cos square x, sec square x over root 10x dx. अपना काम बन गया. देखिए, now the derivative of this one is already here. Now you can assume let root 10x only, not root 10x is equal to t. So this is equal to what? Sec square x dx is equal to dt. This one, and this is already here. So what you will get is here sec square x dx you can write down dt over under root t, and this is equal to t raised to power minus 1 by 2 dt. Take the antiderivative of this one only, so it will be equal to t raised to power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 over minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So this is you will get t raised to power 1 by 2 over this is minus 1 by 2 plus, so this is 1 by 2 plus c. 2 will go in the numerator, so this is 2 t raised to power 1 over 2 plus c, or you can say 2 root t plus c, and t is already we assumed what? 10x. You can put here only, so that is 2 root 10x plus c is your answer. Have a look. Important point is here only, means anyhow you have to the derivative of the denominator, derivative of the जो भी हम substitute करते हैं उसका derivative should be in the numerator. That's all. Have a look. Yes. Now the question is 5 raised to power 5 raised to power 5 raised to power x into 5 raised to power x into 5 raised to power x is equal to d into dx. You have to find out the antiderivative of this one only. So here we will apply the substitution method. What we will do? 5 raised to power 5 raised to power x, we will assume t. Now differentiate this one. You will get this one. How can you get this one? By using the log is there. You are supposed to take the log of both the side. Log 5 raised to power 5x is equal to log t. Both the side you can take the log is there by using that. And this can be written as 5 raised to power x log 5 is equal to log t. Now you can differentiate with respect to t is there. So this is 5 raised to power x, 5 raised to power x into log 5 into dx over dt. X का और log 5 will remain as it is equal to log t is 1 over t is here. So this t will come here. So you will get t into 5 raised to power x into log 5 into dx into this log x, log 5 is equal to dt, this one. And t is already, you assume this one only, t is already assume this one. So you can put this values here. So you will get 5 raised to power this one into 5 raised to power x, log 5 is here, into log 5 is also here, that is equal to dt. This is you are getting. Now this value from here only, 5 raised to power x into 5 raised to power x dx, you can assume this is equal to log x, log 5 into log 5 is log 5 whole square into dt is here only. That value you would substitute here only, put it here and solve it. This is now the constant is there. This is like e raised to power x. You can e raised to power x over log a. Antiderivative of this one is already known, plus c, and you can put the values here only. You can put the value of t is here, because 5 raised to power x you assume, put value, and that you will get this is the answer is there. So this is already I solved. Main important point is here only. Then how can you find the derivative of this one? That you have to do by taking the log is there only. Have a look. Yes, now the question is sec x into log sec x plus 10x dx. तो यहां पर क्या करेंगे? We are supposed to let this is t. Let log sec x plus 10x is equal to t. Now differential with respect to t is there. So log x means 1 over x. So that is 1 over sec x plus 10x. इसका डेरिवेटिव यहां पर है. दिस इज sec x dx you will get. Now chain rule, you will do the and derivative of this one sec x into 10x plus 10x is sec square x into dx is equal to dt. This is there. Nothing is there. Simple. You can assume this is equal to t. Derivative of this one 1 over and then again sec x का derivative sec x into 10x plus 10x, that is sec square x is there. So here only you can take out the sec x is common. So what you will get in numerator? Sec x you can take out the common, you will get 10x plus sec x over sec x plus 10x dx is equal to dt. And this is going to cancel. So finally you are getting sec x into dx is equal to dt. See what you are getting. This is sec x into dx, that is dt. So this whole is going to change into, this is your log sec x plus 10x is already you assume t into dt, and the antiderivative will be t square by 2 plus c, but t is already you assume this one, so you can put the values here. Log sec x plus 10x whole square over 2 plus c, and this is your answer. Have a look.